I assume you already explored the website given to you by the person who sent you this video. We are discussing here focus on compensation plan overview. Okay, as membership, you will pay $9.95 per month, and this is eligible for all the value of Shopee Shop to offer. However, if you want to become a distributor and also a member, you have to pay $49.95 per year and $9.95 per month. You can participate on business and income generation. So membership alone is already valuable. Okay, so for smooth computation, we will just make it $10 for the $9.95 and $50 for $49.95. So equivalent to $60 if you want to become a distributor. Now, the first thing on its earning potential is the direct referral. You can earn 50% commission on every person you personally enrolled or join your team. This is unlimited referral worldwide. For example, you bring one person, that is $10 times 50% equals $5 for member, and $60 for distributor times 50% equals $30 that you earn by referring one person. And suppose all of your referrals joins as distributor and it gets to 10 person, then $60 times 10 person times 50% equals $300. So imagine if one day you can bring 10 people, then you can earn in just one day at $300. So it is unlimited and no time frame. Then if you get 100 person, for example, times $60 times 100 person equals $6,000 times 50% equals $3,000. So imagine in 1 month you can bring 100 person, then you will earn $3,000 in just 1 month. So it depends on how many people we can bring every day or every month. Okay, and since there is yearly renewal, and then it means you have yearly income of how many persons you refer throughout the year. Okay, the next is the unilevel. Unilevel commission on your team's product purchase. So the website have these products that can be sold to members and not members, and you will earn commissions also from the members or from your team. In the first level, you will earn 20%, second level is 10%, third level is 5%, and fourth level equals 5%. For example, in the first level, you have 10 people, and those 10 people get their 10 people, then you already have 110 people. Suppose the 100 people get their 10 people, then you already have 1,000 in your team. And suppose this 1,000 people bring also 10 each, then you will have 10,000 people on your team. So 5% for the 10,000 of whatever products they purchase, and so on. It will depends on your team how big you can build. So unilevel is also unlimited. Now we go to binary income. This is from the word binary, that is two, meaning pairing. So left and the right. So for example, you have friends in US and you have friends on Italy. So every pair you will earn $2. So in this scenario, you will earn $2 by bringing two people. And suppose your friend from US have a friend in Dubai. So meaning you don't know this person in Dubai, only your friend from US. But then again, you will still earn from these people and the person that was friend by the person here in Italy. So you will earn also $2 in this pair. Okay, and suppose the business goes wide and they really love the company, the products, and the compensation plan, the earnings, and it explode to 1,000 people on the left and 1,000 people on the right. So for that computation, the 1,000 people times $2, you will earn $2,000 per month. Why per month? Because we are monthly subscription, meaning every month we need to subscribe to be on the platform, and that means you also have recurring income of $2,000 if you have 1,000 people on the left and 1,000 people on the right. Okay, and then and it may explode for how many months, how many years. It depends on how fast your team is, and for the sake of this presentation, we get 10,000 on the left and 10,000 on the right. That means you will earn $20,000 per month for the binary alone. Okay, and it depends again to the team that you have building, how much they can grow. So the potential of this company, the earning potential is so big, so huge. So if you are saving at least $20 per month using Shopee Shop, Savers, and Travels app, and discounts from top-of-the-line products, would you stop your subscription of only $10? Of course not. So meaning there is a monthly recurring subscription. Or if you are saving aside from earning at least $100 per month, would you stop your subscription? No, it's definitely not. So meaning if you already build your team, then you already have a recurring or monthly income for this binary. Okay, and then we have the profit sharing. This is one of the best generosity given by the company, which they can give up to 15% of the profit sharing of the company. Okay, there is silver, gold, and platinum. For you to become silver, you need to have 2-person direct sponsor, and you need to have at least 250 members. So that's from your team, and the gold is at least 3 direct sponsor and 500 members. So the platinum, you still have 5% with 2,500 members. Some companies, you need 2,500 members and you will just get 2% profit sharing from the company. Here, if you are already platinum, you have a total of 15% profit sharing. So very big difference from 2% to 15%. Okay, so this is the perspective example of how much you will earn on profit sharing. For example, the company earned $1 million this month. So 5% of that 1 million is $50,000. And suppose you are already silver and there are 100 members that are already silver. You will divide the $50,000, the 5% of the silvers. So you will earn $500 for this month on the profit sharing alone as a silver. And suppose you are already gold and there is only 50 person on a gold rank, then you will earn $1,000. So aside from 500, because you're already silver plus gold, then you will earn $1,500 for this month. And suppose you become platinum, and suppose there's only 5 person on the platinum rank, you will also be given additional $10,000 at this rank. So from total of this 3 silver, gold, and platinum, you will have accumulated of $11,500. And this is a monthly profit sharing. Depends on how much the company earn for the month. And if you are still staying on that position. Okay? You are at the right company at the right time because it's Pioneer. Launched on August 8, 2025. The question is, are you the right person? Because if no one is inviting you yet from your friends, relatives, and people, and the people you know, then it's your best opportunity to be the first to introduce them. Because somehow, one of these days, someone are still asking or introduce you this opportunity, Shopee Shop. Please get back to the person who shared you this video. He will give you the referral link for you to join this company. Or if somehow you just randomly watch this video and you want to be part of this journey, this company, and there's no one who sent you this video, you found this on YouTube, on Facebook, or on any platform, you can contact me at arvinbenedicto25@gmail.com +39 351 491 5165. So you can contact me on those numbers or just visit arvin.shopeeshop.com. So again, I will write here arvin.shopeeshop.com.